Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to open an account in Indeed for finding jobs. So what you're going to have to do is to simply search for Indeed and then simply click on the first link. After that you're going to get redirected here. So as you can see here you can find for job titles, you can basically enter keywords or company. So as you can see here you have different suggestions. So if you search for Amazon, here you can choose your state, your city, or if you want to work remote, then simply click on search. And after that, as you can see, you're gonna have here a list with different jobs. Here you can see all the requirements and everything. And then what you can do is simply click on apply now. Then you can get redirected here to this page where you're gonna have to simply create your account. So you can choose your Google or Apple account, so if you want to use any of these, or if you want, you can simply copy and enter your email address, then simply click on continue, and basically you're gonna have to create your password and enter some information about you, like first, last name, your date of birth, and your education, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.